Okay, gonna test out my new HHO cell. Got plain water. Took me 2 days to make this. I hope it works. Okay. And it works. This one's way stronger than the first one I made. All them bubbles coming up from that piece are the hydrogen gas. I put a lighter to it, it'll explode. Now I just have to make a cell and try it out on a little engine. I don't think this will work on a four-wheeler yet, but just have to try it out to find out. It works.